50 Australian cents. This is how much I make from my YouTube channel every day. But there's a lot more to that. Hey everyone, hope you're all doing okay. This is Rokat and welcome to this video where I explain how a channel like this is monetized, how to expand, and what to do if you want to make that sweet dough. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first up, if you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, you can apply for YouTube monetization program. And then you have to agree to YouTube's terms and conditions and apply for a Google AdSense account, which can take up to several business days, but in my case, it only took about 3 hours. Then the review process is automatically going to be applied to your channel, where they check the suitability of your content to ascertain whether your content is advertiser friendly or not. This process can take up to 1 month and took me about 34 hours. It has been 5 days since I was monetized as a recording of this video, and I've made a grand total of $3.69. So I wanted to clear some misconceptions surrounding YouTube. Let's have a look at my content and see what's working. I get about 300 views a day. Most of these views come from my emulator series, which are mostly long videos averaging about 30 minutes. I have pre-roll, mid-roll, and end ads running on all of them. In addition to getting ad revenue, you also get YouTube premium revenue from people who have YouTube premium and are consuming your content. But it is at a fraction of the total ad revenue. Two main key metrics YouTube use are RPM, revenue per mile, and CPM, cost per mile. RPM is your total revenue that you earn per 1,000 views, and CPM, cost per mile, is the cost that the advertiser is willing to give you for 1,000 views. RPM can vary depending on the geographical location, your niche factor, which I'm horrible at by the way, and your content quality, which in my case is absolutely, and seasonality. Pinpointing these exact factors for your channel can be tricky. The RPM can vary from 5 cents to $50. These do increase as you grow in size. In addition, different categories of content such as lifestyle videos, tech videos, educational videos, and showcase videos all have different elements associated with them, and their category plays an important role in deciding the value for the key metrics. But as you get more views, more engagement, and a bigger conversion rate of viewers to subscribers, your RPM will increase immensely, which in turn means you'll earn more money per ad on average. Okay, now let's have a look at my top earning videos. My income is mostly passive. I consider these views as residual views. I would categorize these videos in two categories for revenue sake. One is the timeless topic, which you can watch at any time, and views can be recurring like a comedy video, while others can be a specific topic like tech news, which get views and then get residual views, which are very few in numbers. If you put out competent content consistently, you can see growth rather quickly and your RPM will increase, which in turn will increase your minimum guaranteed income. Okay, so if you look at my top earning videos, we can see that the Citra latest ultimate complete setup guys 2021 is doing pretty good. Actually, it's above all of the other videos, and it gets about 125 views a day. So it has made $1.39, and every single video has a different CPM and a different estimated monetized playback, and also they have a different YouTube premium share. And they're all going to differ depending on the various factors that I mentioned. I know what you're feeling right now. Underwhelmed. The biggest reasons for these figures are my laziness and lack of time. Believe it or not, YouTube's underlying business framework is very simple. I manage a large-scale business which leaves me drained of energy. I have about 40 scripts and ideas that I'm just sitting on, and I can't execute them because of lack of time. The revenue you just saw is coming from videos that are months old. The YouTube algorithm is designed in such a way that if your channel is inactive for a relatively long period of time, your videos get recommended to people less, they lose their engagement, and they appear in search less often. But looking at what works for your content and experimenting with different content are the keys to crack this code. If you're looking to make money off of YouTube, you need determination and patience. You need to grow a sizable audience and view count. The disappointing thing is most people go towards the trend. This is the wrong way to go about things if you want your channel to be sustainable. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys later.